All right, how's it going, everybody? I need to mow my lawn, and I'm gonna upgrade this reel mower with a conveyor belt roller thing. I stole this from somebody else online. Just thought I'd make a video about it, kind of help be a little more specific. There's a ton of different models of these replacement rollers. The model that I got was KGR17. It has on one side it has a detent, so it actually presses in and then pops back out. It's spring loaded. This side is static. And so I ordered on Grainger.com. It was $20. A lot of the other people were saying it was like 16 or something. Anyways, this is a Fiskers Forever Sharp or Stay Sharp reel mower. I got ahead of myself and pulled this out. Basically, these like wheels with like little collar, it just gets unbolted. It's 13 mil on both sides, and that pops out, and then hold that thought. So 13 mil on the wheel, take it off, pull them out. Pretty self-explanatory. Next is I verified this roller will fit perfectly in between the outside brackets. So I'm going to cut these off and then insert the roller. It should be secure enough. These deals are long enough where it should, no matter how far over left or right, it should stay in. So let's get to it. Okay, this goes on this side. This goes on that side. Bingo. That's great. No issues there. I could always pull these tighter, kind of bend them a little bit to get it a little bit tighter. But honestly, I don't think it needs it. All right, now here it is with the roller on there. Obviously, this number is all different now. It doesn't even go down to the lowest 1 inch mark because obviously the wheels were much taller. So I'm gonna put it 1, 2, 3, 4 notches up and get a tape measure in there, and I'll tell you how much it'll cut. Okay, that's on the 4th notch and it's at 1 inch. Now it does not go all the way to the number 4 anymore, probably just because of clearance of bracketing or something. So I'm going as far up as possible. And that, my friends, is 2 3/4. So it goes from less than 1 inch to 2 3/4, which is perfect for a reel mower. So I'm happy with that. I'm hoping it will stripe a little bit better. Obviously it was non-existent before. I'm gonna add wheels back here. So I'll do that in the end of the video. And that will also help with traction and possibly striping. So hope that helps. I'll put everything in the description below. And keep on mowing. Talk to you later.